Hey guys, today I'm teaching you whether adding Google Pay to your app or website is actually worth it in 2025 or just extra code for nothing. Google Pay is still one of the fastest growing digital payment options, offering users one tap checkout, safeguards, biometric security, and cross platform support, while giving developers easy integration through Google's APIs, higher conversion rates, and no extra transaction fees beyond standard processing. So if your app or site sells digital goods, subscriptions, or even in-person services, GPay makes payments feel frictionless and trusted, especially on Android, Chrome, or Play integrated apps. And while alternatives like Apple Pay or Stripe Checkout are solid, GPay's massive reach and user base in 2025 make it a smart integration for better UX and faster sales. That's the full review. Smooth checkout means more customers. So like and subscribe if you want more no flap app and dev tools reviews.